Hello and welcome to Tropical Plants at 53 degrees north. Just to give you an update on the Mars Hydro. I just want you to see this. I don't know if you can see through here. It's, what are we? Well, it's only actually 20 to 5 in the evening, but it's pitch black outside, but you wouldn't know it. Just check this out. I mean, if that's not bright enough for you, I don't know what is. Let's go and have a look. I'll just flip you around. Okay, so we've got pitch black everywhere else. And look at that. I have actually got another LED light in there, but it's the Mars Hydro that's causing this. So let's go and have a quick look. Okay, now the only problem with trying to show brightness on a video is that the video itself, the phone, because I'm only using an iPhone 7 Plus, the phone does actually change the brightness, but it is just, it's like, it reminds me of, I don't know if you remember the film with Chevy Chase in it, Christmas Vacation, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, where he put up the Christmas lights and it like completely lit up the entire neighborhood and like fused the city. Well, this is what it looks like in here. It's just hugely bright. Like I say, the phone's going to change the light intensity. But just believe me when I tell you, it will do the job. It is just dazzling, and I might find that either I get a call from the police wondering if I'm growing marijuana, because over in our country that's a highly illegal thing to do. Because I was going to put it on at 4 o'clock in the morning, but I'm absolutely certain it'll attract quite a bit of attention. But I'm still going to do it anyway. I think come and have a look. I'll give them a tour for free. So over here I've got just a shop bought LED light, cost about £30, and that's given me some light over here, probably enough for what they can cope with, but the difference over there is phenomenal. So we've got fairly dark over here, again the phone's going to change this, and exceedingly bright over there. So I certainly didn't need to worry about the brightness of it. Whether I have turned it up, I don't know, but it's whatever it's on, it's certainly fine. One of my problems is going to be whether it's too bright. Maybe I have to get it down, which I'm not particularly inclined to do, but we'll see anyway. You know, I'm just going to give it a go and see what happens. So yeah, that's a quick update on the Mars Hydro TS1000. It certainly seems to be doing the job. And if anybody thinks it's not going to be light enough for them, well, think again. It's certainly for this 14 by 10 foot greenhouse, it's more than enough for probably 2/3 of it. Like I say, I'd like another one over on this side, but I'm not in a rush for it. That's going to have to wait. So maybe you know, there are other things on my list to get before then. So yeah, that's it, quick update. Sorry for rambling on some of these videos. I really am going to have to cut it down. That comes from extending lessons in class for 20 years. When you've got a deadline on it, a limit on how long you've got to keep a lesson going for. You can't just kind of stop in the middle and say, right, that's it, we're done. Get your books out and have a read. You can't do that with kids. So you do tend to expand and expand and expand on things. So apologies for that. So I'll keep this to a nice rounded 3.5 minutes, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.